I am the last person you should take business advice from. Why? I have a photography business, I have a bonsai business. I opened an Etsy shop recently with t-shirts and mugs. But I still have to keep my 9 to 5 regular job in a factory because all these businesses together won't make me enough money to be able to provide for my family and for our pets. Let me jump in here real quick and show you these pets because I noticed that most bonsai YouTubers show their pets in their videos. And as I want to be a good YouTuber, I need to keep up with the trends. I am not a dog nor cat person, but me and my wife, we love horses and we've got over 400 of them. Good horses, good horses. Luckily, I love bonsai and photography, so I'm not complaining nor giving up. But if I knew this one thing I'm going to tell you now when I was starting in bonsai 9 years ago, I could have had more viable bonsai business by now. And I will share it with you now happily because the demand for this kind of tree is pretty big. And yes, it is wisteria. People just love these flowers. And wisteria is being looked down at by most bonsai professionals because it's not even a proper tree, it's wine. They whine. And it is really difficult to ramify it unless you got a bigger specimen. But the two bonsai trees that I had the quickest sale of ever were wisteria bonsai, and both of them sold for a really nice amount of money. I got them myself for nothing because they were air layered from this parent tree while it was still growing in my parents' garden. These wisterias here are from the same root my big wisteria was growing from. They were collected a month ago and planted here to grow bigger for a couple of years and provide me with a steady supply of air layers for bonsai creation in coming years. I should have done this 9 years ago. I would be a wisteria king by now. So now you know, don't hesitate, go and buy a few saplings if you have a place where you can plant them, or maybe ask a neighbor who has a wisteria if you can take some air layers of it. Once they root, they basically grow themselves. There really is an unsatisfiable demand for these beauties, and the ones that are for sale in bonsai centers are usually just the young sticks in a pot. As to how to style wisterias, check out my quick guide to wisterias here. I hope this helps, and if you are considering growing trees for sale to make some extra bucks from, this is the species you should focus on. Best of luck to you all, and if you want to hear more about my experiences with smaller or bigger trees, consider subscribing. I love you all. And a little disclaimer at the end. This is not a wisteria, it's Laburnum watereri, but it's in flower now and I wanted to show it to you